Are you paying too much in property taxes on your primary residence in Washoe County? Today, we are going to help you figure out if you are. Now, there's something going around called a form that the Washoe County Assessor sends out to you. It's called the Property Tax Cap Claim Form. And we're going to review on how to look at that form, make sure you fill it out correctly, and get it in so that you remain in the low tax cap for primary residence. So once again, my name is Ken Angst. I'm the team leader of the Angst Real Estate Team, your host on this podcast. We're covering all the trending topics for real estate in Northern Nevada and covering topics that come up as we help our clients buy and sell real estate here locally. So what we're talking about today is a form that is sent out. If you have rentals, you will automatically get this form, and it is called the Property Tax Cap Claim Form. So if you get rentals, you have to fill it out every year, but I want to talk specifically about primary residence today. So if you're an owner of a home and you live there as your primary residence, this video is more for you. We will cover what to do when you get this form if you own your property as a rental. So today we just want to make sure that you are in the correct tax brackets for property taxes. So in the 2000s, the early 2000s, the state legislature passed basically a tax abatement. And what it basically said, boiling it down into simple terms, is that you, as a primary residence, can only have your property taxes increase by 3% each year as a cap tax. And if you have a rental, the tax cap, you're going to be in the high one if you are above the HUD rates for what you're charging your tenants. So what I want to do today is make sure that you haven't inadvertently not filled this form out. This form only comes to you if you change title, make improvements, or if your house is reassessed. And what happens is the form comes out in early May, late April, early May each year, and it actually comes out in the fall. And if there's any changes to the title, the county automatically sends it out to you. Now, if you don't send it back and fill it out correctly, claiming it as your primary residence, you are moved into the high tax cap automatically. So what we want to do is make sure that you know where to go look on the Washoe County Assessor and make sure that you're in the correct tax bracket so you're not paying too much. We're seeing about 25% of our clients that we look for are in the incorrect tax bracket and are thus can potentially have their taxes on their property go up each year by as much as 8% rather than the standard 3%. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into the Washoe County Assessor's website, and I'm going to show you how to look up your property and then scroll down and make sure that you are in the right tax bracket. So here we go. So once we start looking in here, this is just the Washoe County Assessor's website. And you type it into your browser, and it's for real property data assessment, or real property assessment data. And what you do is you go in here, this little box, and you type in the address, and then you click the little box that says address. Now, keep in mind that you can search by owner or APN, but the safest bet is to go in there and put your physical address of your property, type it in, and it'll come up. Now, we're not disclosing anybody's information here. What this property at Thomas Creek is owned by the school district, and that is the Marcy Hers Middle School. So we're doing this as a test case, but they all look the same, and I just want to kind of highlight where you should be looking. So what you do once you put in your address, you scroll down here, and you're looking for the, of course, I push it out too much. All you're looking for is this tax cap status. Now, obviously, this one does not apply, but if this is your primary residence, what you want to make sure that you're doing is looking for low cap. You don't want to be in the high cap. If it is, and you're looking at it, and it's in the high cap, then you're going to want to, I'll send the link out, and I'll put it in this podcast, is you're going to want to go either call the Washoe County Assessor or go to the site, and you can go update your information, and then they'll get it corrected. But just keep in mind, if for some reason you get this form called the property tax cap claim form, you don't fill it out, by June 30th, you are automatically moved into that high cap. So take a look at that and let us know what you think. If this video is helping you, let us know. If you have questions, again, we are not attorneys or accountants or work with the county. We're just alerting you to make sure that you are aware that your primary residence is in the correct cap rate so that you're not paying extra taxes. So please check out our other videos. We are here to educate you. And if you want any more information or have questions about your real estate holdings, feel free to direct message us, leave us a comment below, or give us a call in the office, 775-525-0309. Otherwise, we'll have some more podcasts coming out in the next couple days, and continue to enjoy them. Like our videos and enjoy this nice summer weather. Till next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.